What if the bank suddenly says you owe millions to save your home from being taken away, but the rules keep changing? How far would you go to fight back? Watch to find out. This is the 68th case out of the 160 cases decided by Associate Justice Mario Lopez, chairperson of the 2024 Philippine Bar Examinations. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and get notified about our latest content. Elevate your legal knowledge today. A gripping financial drama unfolded between the Bank of the Philippine Islands, BPI, and LCL Capital Incorporated. It all started in 1997 when LCL borrowed P40,000,000.00 from a bank, promising 2 condominium units as security. However, trouble brewed when LCL couldn't pay back the loan, leading BPI, which had merged with the original lending bank, to foreclose the properties. But here's where it gets interesting. BPI quickly consolidated ownership of these properties, a move LCL contested as premature. They argued that the consolidation didn't respect the redemption period, a timeframe given to borrowers to pay back what they owe and reclaim their property. The legal battle that ensued was nothing short of a roller coaster, taking twists and turns through the halls of justice. The Regional Trial Court, RTC, initially sided with LCL, declaring BPI's consolidation of ownership void and ordering the titles reinstated to LCL, subject to their right of redemption. However, the amount LCL needed to pay to redeem the properties became a hotly contested issue. The RTC calculated a redemption price, but both parties disagreed. BPI wanted more, citing a higher interest rate and additional expenses like real estate taxes it had paid. The case spiraled up to the Court of Appeals, CA, which made a landmark decision, partly siding with BPI. It ruled that the redemption price should be recalculated at a higher interest rate, but it didn't budge on the issue of real estate taxes. Unhappy with this outcome, both parties sought the wisdom of the Philippine Supreme Court. The Supreme Court's verdict was a masterclass in judicial clarity and fairness. It ordered a fresh computation of the redemption price, including the stipulated interest rate of 17% and the real estate taxes BPI paid. This decision was grounded in law and aimed at ensuring fairness and avoiding unjust enrichment. Dispositive portion, the petition in G. R. number 243396 is granted. The case is remanded to the Regional Trial Court of Pasig City, Branch CLXI, 161, for the proper computation of the redemption price with dispatch following the parameters set in this decision. On the other hand, the petition in GR number 243409 is denied. Important doctrines discussed: immutability of final judgments. Once a judgment becomes final, it is immutable and unalterable, except for clerical errors or the execution thereof. Redemption price calculation for bank foreclosures. The redemption price in bank foreclosures includes the principal amount, specified mortgage interest rate, foreclosure expenses, and other custody expenses, excluding income from the property. Real estate taxes and foreclosure. Real estate taxes paid by the mortgagee should be reimbursed by the mortgager upon redemption, reflecting the principle against unjust enrichment. This is the case entitled Bank of the Philippine Islands vs. LCL Capital Incorporated, GR numbers 243396 and 243409, September 14, 2021. The case teaches us about the importance of understanding the terms of agreements and the responsibilities they entail. It highlights the value of fairness and the law's role in balancing interests to prevent undue advantage. This is for educational purpose only, and not a legal advice.